What are the positive benefits of testosterone?
What are the positive aspects of testosterone therapy? All right, listen, this is a great indication. I'll reverse these actually. Personally, I find that I have way more energy. I have a much easier time going to the gym, building muscle mass, increasing strength. Without a doubt, my libido is way better now that I take testosterone therapy. And I would say that the majority of our clients would say that their libido has improved.
We do get that feedback a lot.
Right, we do. And in fact, so we receive a lot of emails with guys. Sometimes if something is off a little bit, one of their primary concerns is, hey, my libido is a little bit less. Is something going off? Can we check my levels? And so most times it's not related to levels. It can be related to stress. But yeah, people are for sure concerned with libido. Athletic performance, as I said, I don't play any sports, but I think the biggest benefit for me is better energy levels, better cognitive function. I'm more focused at work. I get a lot more done, so I'm not procrastinating. I once was talking to a friend of mine who owns a clinic out in Santa Barbara, and I was saying that, some guys come to us and we think that they're going to move forward with therapy. And we were his wife was at dinner too. And she had a theory of why guys don't move forward when they're low in testosterone, and that's because they're low in testosterone, so it's hard for them to make a commitment. And so I find that a lot of guys feel like they're less decisive, less prone to make an aggressive move, and some of that comes along with testosterone therapy. And then, if you look at all of these numbers, or the questions rather, obviously I don't fall asleep at dinner any longer. If I fall asleep after dinner, it's because I'm exhausted because I've been working too many hours. Most men, I would say probably 99.9%, absolutely are way happier, so they're less grumpy. I'm not saying that they were grumpy before, but they definitely have a better mood. And I think that's a really simple one to explain. If you have a higher libido, if you have better energy, if you're losing body fat, if you are gaining muscle mass, you're getting stronger, and you're enjoying life more, of course, you're going to be less grumpy and more happy. So I think those are the biggest positive aspects of going on testosterone therapy.
Well, thank you so much for that information. You can find the Adam questionnaire in the link in the bio area. And, follow us, subscribe.
Yeah, like us.
Notification, like us.
Smash the like button.
And let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or any topic you want us to delve into further.
Absolutely. This was a Rewind podcast, and we'll see you guys in the next episode.